Hello everyone, how have you been today? Welcome again to yet another exciting episode of ID Cook with Love. So have you guys ever been in a situation where you have very little time and you have to toss some yummy desserts? Maybe you have unexpected guests at home or you want to make something for your loved ones. Well, this happens to me very often. So I have some yummy recipes for you which I'm going to be sharing with you today. So let's get started. To make this, take your favorite ice cream, scoop it out in a tall glass, sprinkle some choco chips or nuts of your choice, and then drizzle it with ID filter coffee. Ta-da! It's ready! Vietnamese coffee. Place the sweetened condensed milk in a glass. Pour out 2 tablespoons of hot ID filter coffee or until the coffee is strong enough to your liking. Stir the coffee and condensed milk together and enjoy. The taste of ID filter coffee is so good that it makes your preparations of coffee and dessert just super flavorful. And the restaurant-like filter coffee aroma makes every recipe such a delight. What is a coffee dessert if it doesn't taste rich and smell divine? Isn't it? Do you have similar recipes to share? Share them in my comment section and do try them with ID filter coffee.